Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the start of a new week here at Perry Elementary. Today is Monday, September 23rd of 2019. A couple exciting things happening at Perry this week. First and foremost, it is Start with Hello Week, so there's going to be different activities happening with that this week. One of those activities is I'm going to be sharing with everyone different ways that you can say hello to everybody. So I have a special video that I'll be sharing with everyone. But also, just a reminder, teachers, that this is also the first day of our Google Expedition Days. So we have Monday and Wednesday over the next 2 weeks. So if the weather is nice, we will have that in the gym. If it is not nice, on Mondays we can have it in the art room. On Wednesdays we'll just have to kind of see what we're going to do because we don't have a rain date set up for that. So for right now, let's go through our Start with Hello Week with greetings in different languages.
What's the crap? Hola. 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 ¿Cómo estás? Pura vida. Xin chào. Xin chào. Xin chào. Bonjour. 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 ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo están lahat? مرحبا. مرحبا. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. Bonsoir. Bonjour. Allô. La cafette. Plus tard. Hello. Hello. Ciao. Ciao. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Jumlipsua. Jumlipsua. Selamat sejahtera. Sawadi. Sawadi ka. Oi. Hesi. Merhaba. Namaskaramu. Hai. Jate. Minglawa. Bish abal. Kyoro. Wapas. Kaundain. Sawai. Namaste. Shalom. Ya. Minga boy. Great. Salam. Ramu.
So lots of different ways that you can say hello to somebody today. Of course, probably most common ones is just hello, or hola, or bonjour, or ciao. So those are all very common ones to say. For our birthday list for today, happy birthday to Riley Goebel. So hopefully, Riley, you have a great day today. Our lunch choices for today, we have meatball sub, turkey and cheese sandwich, and grilled cheese. And today, our pause samples are brought to you by our kindergarten students and Mrs. Green's class.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause and expectations for today. So the students today will be going over some things that you're making sure that you're following our expectations.
Go, Jordan, go. No hitting on the playground, no punching, no running in the grass. No hitting on the playground, no running in the ground.
All right, thank you very much, guys.
Thank you much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and we have 3 students here from Miss Green's class to help out with their pledge. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a wonderful Monday. I hope you have a great day, and I'm sure I will see everybody in a little bit. So for now, let's say goodbye, but say hello to somebody else today.